Hello everyone. So in this video, we will be having a tutorial session as to how to install and set up the Arduino IDE in your computer. So first, download the installer on the website as shown in the screen. So I will be using an older version of Arduino, which is Arduino 1.8.18, but you can also download the newer versions. After the installer has been downloaded, locate the file and run the installer so that the installation process will start. On the installation window, click Agree for the terms and conditions and then click Install. A Windows dialog box will also pop up asking for the drivers to be installed. Click Install for the installation process to continue. Since I have already downloaded the IDE before, it did not ask for the drivers to be installed this time. Now after the application has been installed, get your Arduino board and plug it into your computer using USB Type-A to Type-B cable. Then, open your Arduino IDE program. In the Tools tab, locate the board and specify what type of board you are using or is connected to your computer. After that, go to your Device Manager. In the port section, identify what port your board is being connected into. Go back to your application and still in the Tools tab, go to the port and click the port the same in what the port you have identified earlier. Now to test the Arduino board, go to the File tab and locate the examples. Using a Blink sample program, so this is the code we'll be using. So first, we need to verify the program, and if there is no error detected, upload the code to the board. Once the upload is done, you can see in the board that the built-in LED will be blinking. Now we will construct a simple circuit and have its function programmed in the Arduino IDE. The circuit will perform the following function. If task switch number 1 is pressed, the two LEDs will blink alternately, whereas one LED will blink at a single time only. If task switch number 2 is pressed, the two LEDs will blink together, whereas two LEDs will blink simultaneously. Now we will code the program that will perform this function in the simple circuit we built. After coding, verify the program if there is error or not. If no error is detected, upload your program to the board. Once the upload is complete, check the circuit if it performs according to the previous conditions stated. Pressing switch 1 will make the two LEDs blink alternately. Pressing switch 2 will make the two LEDs blink together simultaneously. And that's it for our tutorial session in Arduino IDE installation.